and welcome back to Lollipop Lickers. You might have guessed it, this episode is about birds. It's also important to note that during lockdown, there are lots of opportunities for creativity and working together to achieve common goals. Let's not forget, we're all in this together. As many avid birdwatchers are aware, capturing good footage of birds in action takes a lot of patience. Sitting through the rain and the wind and a little bit of rough weather and strapped to your long lens, it can take a little bit of time, but eventually your efforts do pay off with some really fascinating interactions. Rainy days really do give you a lot of time to think, so I went back and reviewed some of the locations where I had spotted some birds, including the little woodpecker there. And noticed there was a hole in one of the trees that was a perfect spot to hide a lollipop or two. So I climbed the tree and stuffed a few in there and then patiently waited for the fireworks to start.